Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back. Today I have yet another update for you. This is my life now, it's just nothing but updates. This is for Project Polish, and I put, I think, 10 polishes in at the very beginning of the year, and I just want to see how many I can get done. I am rotating stuff in as I get stuff finished. I'm rotating stuff in so I don't get bored. I may not finish all of them, and I probably won't finish all of them, but I just want to finish as much as I can, and on the other things make some more progress. I do have a certain number that I would like to get done in this year, but I do have stuff in other projects, and I might get some stuff done in those other projects as well as this one. I just want to get a bunch done. I don't even remember now how many I'm attempting to get done. I want to say it's like 10 or 12. Give me 1 second and I will scroll and find out. I want 10. I want to get 10 done this year. Is it possible? Yes, I just need to stay focused and not get bored. That is my problem, is I get bored with things. All right, so I'm going to go over things. I will say up front that I don't have as much visual progress as normal because I did have to thin out some of my older polishes. I had done this previously with thinner, and I noticed that some of my older polishes that were not sticky before, they were just a little thick, were too sticky. So when I refreshed them and thinned them this time, I used a clear polish, a very thin clear polish. So it definitely added volume to some of these, but they are more usable now, and I am more willing to use them on a regular basis because they're easier to use. If you hear noises, I've got one dog over here and one dog back there. They make noise. That's what they do. They're like children. All right, so the first one I have worn actually at least twice since I did this last update, and because I did add a tiny bit of polish, I'm still at this bottom line, but I'm not mad at it because at least it didn't go really far up, and you can see there's just not a ton there. I will eventually get there. If I didn't say, this is Artmatic, and I don't think Artmatic even exists anymore. That tells you how old it is. And I would love to have that one done this year. I have polish on my fingers now because I just touched a wet line. This is also from Artmatic. It is just like a gold micro glitter. You can see I don't have a ton left. And I did add the green line there, so I have used it. This is one that I could use literally almost every single nail polish, or not nail polish, manicure that I do. And you're not going to see a ton of progress because it is so very thin. It's okay. I'm going to get it done before the end of the year. I will hyper focus on that one. Next up, we have my last Artmatic polish. I put all three of these in because they're probably my oldest polishes, and I really want to get them done this year. Not that I dislike them, because I don't dislike them, but they're really old and they need to get used up. So this one is a navy blue shade, and I was kind of at the top of this line. Now I'm at the bottom of it, so baby progress. We'll get there. All right, yet another one I did not get to draw a new line on because I added some clear polish into it. This is one that I have not had to put a thinner in yet, but I needed to because I could tell that it was starting to get a little thick. I do actually have it on my nails today with something that's not even in this project as my topper. I think Greta's gonna jump up on the bed in a second. Is she gonna do it? I don't know. Anyway, this is OPI Till We Meet Again. It's a beautiful shade, but I'm at this wonky purple line. I was kind of at the top of this here. Now I'm at the bottom of this side, and I'm making very slow progress on it, but it's getting more narrow, and I do have to redo my toes. That might be a good toe color. I know it's a good toe color. I don't know if I want to do that one or one of the other ones that I'm working on. I have a lot. I have a whole lot. All right, next is Sally Hansen. This is To the Moon. This has been frankened and refrankened, and it gets a lot of extra, and the fact that I'm so low on it is amazing. So this one, it was originally a purple glitter. The purple in the glitter faded out. You can kind of see what it looks like now. And every time I finished a glitter polish that wasn't going to clash or anything, where I had just the tiniest little bit that I couldn't really get out on my brush, but I knew there was stuff in there, I would pour it into here. So this has kind of been like an amalgamation of all of those like remnants of, and I still really enjoy it quite a bit, but that just means that it's taking me longer to get it done. But I do have a new line. So I was at the red, now I'm at the green here, and I mean, you can see it only goes to right there. So very little actual polish. I don't know that I can get this done by the next update, but I think if it's not done next month, 2 months and it'll be out of here. And I'm kind of going to miss it because, like I said, it's got all these remnants. So when I use it, I see little glitters. I'm like, oh, this was part of this one, and this one is part of that one. I don't know, it's just kind of fun for me because I'm a weirdo. This one I have not used since the last update. It is from KleanColor. It is Holiday Jingle. I just have not been feeling this bright green. It's okay. It's probably going to get there. I knew she was coming up sooner or later. There's my Greta. It's probably going to get a lot of usage around Christmas time, just like this one. This one's e.l.f. and this is called Love Me. I don't think I've used it, so no progress on that one. However, I will say I did just put a red nail polish in another project for usage solely so that I could play with this right here. So I'm hoping slow down, Jess. I have been putting polishes in other projects that I know are going to help me with the polishes that I'm trying to finish in this project. So I'm really hoping that that is going to work, and it's going to keep me from being bored by having stuff that will coordinate well with the things I'm attempting to finish. All right, that being said, Avon, this is the shade Saturn. Again, I had to put a little bit of clear polish in this one, and this is one that I did recently franken. I had a red nail polish in that I finished, if it was last month or the month before, I don't remember, and there was a tiny little bit, and I put it in with this purple, so it's more of a raspberry shade. And I really, really like this. I have worn it, but not to the point where I could get back to my old line. That's okay. I'm still working on it. It's fine. You can see where I am at this red line, and it shows you where I was before I frankened it and added stuff before. This is another one I've added a little bit of this and a little bit of that. It just is what it is. All right. Next is from Del Sol, another really old polish. This one is in the shade Superhero. I wear this one frequently. I also had to thin this one out, so I was not able to do a new line. I was at the top of this line last time, and I am just below it. You can kind of see a tiny little bit of daylight underneath this line, and that is with adding nail polish to it. So I will be able to put a line on it next time. It's just, they would have been like this, and it wasn't worth it. And the very last one I think I added in last update is from Colorworks. It was nail polish number 7. Can you see the daylight there? It's done. There's a lot of polish that has stuck to the sides over the years and dried, but the polish itself is actually done. You can see it's sitting straight up, and there's no polish in there. I got, I think, 2 manicures out of this one, and it is done. So, yay! I have another polish done, which means I need to bring something else in. And I decided, based on all the stuff that I showed you, everything's old. Like, I have so much old stuff in here. But it's like a lot of dark colors. Yes, the light blue is on the lighter side, but I don't have anything that's truly neutral, and I don't have anything that's really light. So I decided to bring in a polish that is older-ish, older enough, but really hasn't gotten any use on it. Maybe once or twice, and I need to have something that I can put on quick that's light, relatively neutral, and when I'm in a hurry. That's just one of my go-to things. So I am bringing in a Sinful Colors polish. This is in the shade Kitty Pink. It is just like a neutral pink. It is very, very neutral, and you can see where I'm starting up here. I do not think I can finish this year, and I'm okay with that. But it does give me something else to work with, that if I really don't want a dark shade, like we're in the middle of summer and I have dark nails right now because I just had this on already in the past week and everything else is dark. So this one is just going to give me that chance to use this and coordinate it with a darker accent nail. So I'm still using my darker stuff, but I don't have to go for like a fully dark look. And I don't know, it's just going to make my life a whole lot easier to have something very neutral. I think it's going to work with some toppers. I have toppers in other projects, and I just think this is the way to go. And of course my lighting is gone because my screen just went dark because I wasn't using my mouse or anything like that. So that is my update. Not the most exciting, but I am rolling out a polish because I finished it and rolling in a new one, which is always exciting to me. And so far, this project this year, I have finished 3 polishes, which isn't the greatest number, but it is 3 polishes that I have finished. So I'm getting closer to the 10 that I want to finish this year. I also have a goal to get down to 150 nail polishes by the end of the year. So it's helpful just getting those little ones done. And I think I can probably get the 10 done. So I don't know that I have any very specific goals for this month. Greta's doing her thing. Part of me wants to, in a bittersweet way, finish up this glitter by Sally Hansen because it is just so stinking close. And I do think it is actually possible to get that done. I don't think that I can get anything else done. I just don't feel like anything else is close enough. This is probably my closest polish, and it's so dark, and it is a thin polish. So I don't see that happening. The blue is not much higher, actually. The blue actually has a smidge less, which is kind of crazy. Maybe I should focus on the silver and the blue. Don't think the blue is going to get done, but the silver might be able to. So maybe I should focus on these 2 and just continue to work on everything else. Let me know what you think. I don't know what to do. I think that's what I need to do. Really focus on the silver glitter to finish it, and then try to put a hurting on the blue and see how far I can get to maybe not have it done by next update, but the following. So 2 months, have the blue knocked out and see what else I can bring in its place. Like, assuming I can finish the glitter next month, bring in something else that can coordinate with some of these other things to get those used up. I don't know, I'm kind of like thinking out loud right now, but I'm really hopeful that I can have that glitter done for the next update. I think I can if I focus on it. All right, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up because I can tell she's ready to go to sleep. Yeah, it's almost 1:30, so I probably should go to sleep too. Probably would be a good idea. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.